Hello, my name is Rushil. I'm in second grade. I'm gonna teach you how to do picture-in-picture and filter. Here we go. So I'm in iMovie now, and I got a clip here. So first, go to Videos, then go to Recently Added. Then press the video you want. Then press the three dots. Then press Picture-in-Picture. Then you're gonna tap on that. Then you're gonna put to filters. Then if you want, I'm in black and white, so I want me in color, so press none. And press filters again. And then you have a picture-in-picture. So now I'm gonna play it. Wait. Let me just read it. Okay, now. This is the movie about exciting happenings. And now, if you want to increase it higher, you can press it again. Then you can increase it to 500, or you can increase it to any other. So I'll start at 500. Now I'm gonna play it. This is the movie about the silent companies. And now, when your voice is loud enough, when I play it, this is the movie about the silent continents. Then, now I'm going to show you three other things. So this is if you press that, you can zoom in to whoever you want in your video. Press that. You can drag your video to any place you want it. This one, if I press that allows me to make a white border around it. So that's how you do picture-in-picture. My name is Rushil, and I'm in second grade.